Batik, the traditional fabric of Indonesia. It would be impossible to visit or live in Indonesia without being introduced to one of country's most developed art forms, batik. On your first visit to a batik shop or factory, you may feel overwhelmed by the colors, patterns, and even the distinct smell of batik. Only through repeated visits and learning will you begin to understand the types of design and their cultural meanings. The word batik is believed to come from ambatik, meaning a cloth with little dots. The suffix "tix" refers to dots, drops, or points. Some also link it to the Japanese word "tritik", which is a dye-resist technique similar to tie-dye. There is even a Japanese phrase "batik mana", which means drawing a batik design on the heart, showing the spiritual aspect of the craft. Although the origins of batik are debated, similar dye-resist techniques have been found in ancient Egypt, India, China, and Africa. However, none of those cultures developed batik into such a refined and meaningful art form as the Japanese did. In the 19th century, batik became a major part of Japanese cultural life, especially after the import of fine cloth from India and Europe. While temple carvings from the 800s show patterned clothing, we cannot be sure if those were made with batik techniques. Some historians believe batik was once reserved for royalty, with certain designs worn only by members of the Sultan's palace. Noble women may have inspired elegant design, but the actual wax and dye work was likely done by skilled artisans under their direction. Royal courts supported many traditional arts, including batik, silverwork, gamelan music, and shadow puppetry. Interestingly, batik patterns were often inspired by wayang, shadow puppets, as women used old puppets as stencils for their design. However, not everyone agrees that batik was exclusive to the royal class. In fact, many believe that batik was also an important tradition among common people. In Central Java, for example, it was considered essential for young women to learn how to handle a cantik, the wax tool used in batik making, just like they learned cooking or other household skills. Today, batik is more than just a traditional cloth. It is a symbol of Indonesian identity and creativity. Recognized by UNESCO as a masterpiece of oral and intangible heritage of humanity, batik continues to inspire both local and international fashion. From everyday wear to formal ceremonies, batik reflects the rich culture, deep philosophy, and artistic soul of Indonesia.